Nu är stora tjolskapar-känslor hasade för jag vita om Finnar keypa fingst och kanske om det här eisini har prövat att keypa först.
Beer.
A lot of it.
I think I've tried all the Finnish Faroese beers.
This one. Here in the islands we have like local beer that's what people drink and like local soft drinks as well. Like
I bought some yarn because I'm going to knit.
When you come to Faroe Islands, you don't buy anything but Faroese.
Do you buy Finnish products back home?
Yeah, whenever I have the chance.
Young people, they want to buy Finnish and they believe that buying Finnish products is the best thing to grow our own economy.
my parents, they used to work for Nokia and then they got sacked.
Really?
Yeah, so because they moved to like countries of cheap labor. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I try to buy Finnish things, is because like it's so close, you know. In my family I've seen the results of like people buying whatever is cheapest.
How do I say in Finnish buy Faroese?
Osta färsaarelaista.
Osta färsaarelaista.
Shape first. What's that?
Färsaarelaista.
Färsaarelaista.
Shape first! Shape first!
Osta färsaarelaista.
Yes.
Osta färsaarelaista.
Det här är Sverige, keypa din förrest, keypa vi förrest, keypa vi förrest. Nu får vi hitta ett landels, nu får vi landels. Det är att hitta oss. Suomi! Suomi! Mennään! Mennään! Osta färsaarelaista! Osta färsaarelaista! Osta färsaarelaista! Men sann om det känns ett nice att få Finnar till att keypa först.